Alrighty guys, thank you once again for tuning in. Let's get started with this recipe. So here I'm using canola oil. You can use whatever type of oil that you have on hand. Just make sure that you have enough for deep frying. I'm using 3 pounds of catfish, and this fish fry that you see here in this Ziploc bag is a custom made recipe. I will leave the full measurements down below in the description box. 2 eggs as well as some salt and pepper. First, you want to start out by rinsing and pat drying your fish. Here, as you can see, we decided to cut our fish. You don't have to do this. This is totally optional. So next, we're going to begin to season the fish. So first, go ahead and crack your eggs in a large mixing bowl, whisk to combine. Then go ahead and drop your fish inside. Mix it up really well into the egg batter, and then you're going to sprinkle on your salt and pepper. We use 1.5 tablespoons of each, or you can season to taste and then mix to combine. Next, you're going to add your fish fry to a clean, dry mixing bowl. Then you're going to add in 1 fish at a time and make sure that it is well coated. We use 1.5 cups of fish fry. So I'm using a 5-quart Dutch oven and 2 liters of oil. Heat your oil on high to bring up to temperature and then decrease to medium before you begin to fry. You can also test your oil by using a wooden spoon like you see me doing here. So once your oil is ready, go ahead and add your fish, and you want to cook for 3 to 5 minutes or until they are golden brown. For my first batch here, I'm cooking 2 at a time. And it's important for you guys to not overcrowd the pot, because every piece that you add is going to decrease the temperature of the oil. So you do not want to add too many at a time, maybe no more than 3 pieces per batch. And once it's done, remove it and place it on a cooling rack or paper towel. Add your remaining pieces 3 at a time until all of your fish has been cooked. Please note, if your fish floats to the top before the 3 to 5 minute cooking time is up, just make sure that you flip that over to ensure that both sides are being cooked and they are browned. And so here is the finished result. Go ahead and check it out. Alright, so that's it, you guys. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Go ahead and give me a thumbs up if you did. Give this recipe a try. Leave me a comment down below and let me know what you think. Don't forget to set your notifications so that you won't miss my next upload, and I will see you guys in my next video.